Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Komplete 15 and if it's actually like worth upgrading if you want it. So primarily like the things is that you can have like minor updates regards the Contact 8, Guitar Rig 7 Pro and also smaller instruments expansions like Conflux. Now what you can do is you can wait for the Summer of Sound sale to upgrade. So in the 15, it includes a Contact 8, which is like the major upgrade, Guitar Rig 7 Pro, Action Woodwinds, Vocal Colors, and more Play Series instrument. Now, if you need Contact 8 for its improved workflow and new features, or even like specific new instruments, the $99, let's say, dollar upgrade is considered fair. So, but it's not really like essential. And so you can like check and wait for the sale and then upgrade. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.